Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sam Biology Class. Today we will discuss about the mitochondrial genome organization. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. Mitochondria is one of the semi-autonomous organelle. It has its own genome which is separate and distinct. It has its own genome which is separate and distinct from the nuclear genome of the cell. From the nuclear genome of the cell. Because of its own genetic system, mitochondria is able to synthesize some of the proteins it requires. Remaining mitochondrial proteins are encoded by nuclear genes. Mitochondria also replicate its own genome. Mitochondrial genomes are usually circular DNA molecules. Like bacteria and are present in multiple copies per organelle. Their size vary considerably between different species. The genome of humans and most other animal cell mitochondria is only about 16 kb. However, substantially larger mitochondrial genomes are found in yeast and plants. In yeast and the mitochondrial genome is about 80 kb, whereas in plants it is more than 200 kb. However, these larger mitochondrial genomes are composed predominantly of non-coding sequences. They also do not appear to contain significantly more genetic information. For example, the largest sequenced mitochondrial genome, is that of the plant Arabidopsis thaliana. Arabidopsis mitochondrial genome is approximately 367 kb, that codes for 31 proteins. This is just more than twice the number of proteins encoded by the human mitochondrial DNA. The smallest mitochondrial genome is that of the protist Plasmodium falciparum, in which it is just 6 kb, that codes for only 3 proteins. that codes for 3 proteins. Most present-day mitochondrial genomes encode only a small number of proteins which are essential components of the oxidative phosphorylation system. It also encodes all of the ribosomal RNAs and most tRNAs which are needed for translation of the protein coding sequences in mitochondria. Other mitochondrial proteins are encoded by the nuclear genes. This figure shows the human mitochondrial genome, which is about 16 kb. It contains 16 protein coding sequences and the genes for 12S and 16S ribosomal RNAs and also the genes for 22 different tRNAs. Mitochondrial genetic system uses a slightly different genetic code which is distinct from the universal code used by both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Out of 64 possible triplet codons, 61 codes for 20 different amino acids which are found in proteins. According to Oppel rules, at least 30 different tRNAs are required to translate the universal code. Yet mitochondrial genome encodes only 22 tRNAs, and these are the only tRNAs used to translate mitochondrial mRNA. This is accomplished by an extreme form of Oppel in which uracil at the anticodon of tRNA can pair with any of the 4 bases at the 3rd codon position of mRNAs. This allows 4 codons to be recognized by a single tRNA. In addition, in mitochondria, some of the codons specify amino acids which is different from the universal code. Friends, this is all about mitochondrial genetic system. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.